Hey, what's up, guys? This has been a crazy week so far, and I really want to thank you for all of you who subscribed and put comments on my video and like my videos. So I've been getting a ton of comments recently, so I figured I want to do a pretty frequent series where I answer all of your comments, where I react to all of your comments, every single one of them. So I want to do this so I can help you answer stuff on the video. So please comment on my videos and like and subscribe so I can get back to you. All right, let's go. This is going to be episode 1 of me answering all of your questions. All right, number 1, let's go. I cannot connect Trader Joe to my MetaMask wallet containing AVAX on the Avalanche network. I get an error stating when I'm trying to connect to the unsupported network. What am I missing? Sir, please come to our Discord. We can help you answer. We have a ton of experts in here, so come to our Discord, come to the crypto chat channel. So ask us that question, the same question you have, and then post what error you're seeing. We should be able to help you out. All right, come into the Discord and we'll help you out. Says thanks. Great, thank you. The thought of selling at resistance and rebuying at support is antithetical to the base strategy of DeFi 3.0. This isn't a big brain strategy. All right, so this person is commenting on my time Wonderland big brain strategy. Well, you're sort of right, because DeFi 2.0, it's not 3.0 by the way, it's 2.0. DeFi 2.0 is all about leaving your money into a treasury like time, and it will continuously compound for you over time. Sure, I definitely agree at some point, but as a trader, you should always take some profits, because you don't know what's going to happen. It could get rug pulled, it could get hacked tomorrow, so you should always secure your profit and then play with the house money if you can. So that's my strategy. But if you are more risky than I am, then go for it. This is totally fine. All right, this gave me more confidence in the Wonderland. Let's go. Yes, I agree. This is about Spell token listing on Coinbase. Don't know if time listing on Coinbase will be good. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Great video anyway. Well, thank you, sir. Yes. We don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing, mostly because they haven't listed OM yet, which has been out for so long now. So for Coinbase to list time, it'll be a major surprise to me, but it will be a good thing for the price action of time. I hope they list time, but since they haven't listed OM yet, I think they won't be in the future. Correct, exactly what I just said. Tying a spell to 0, don't say you were warned. Okay, let's see. Can you do review on Hector DAO? I have a video in queue that will premiere tomorrow. It might talk about Hector DAO, so keep an eye out for it. Great content as usual. Thanks, bro. Would like to know your top 3 DeFi investments. I actually have a video in the works about my top 10 DeFi investments, right? So keep an eye out for this. 100% faith in the God Emperor Danny. Yes, I agree. Daniel Sister. What a interesting guy. Looking forward to the video with comments. Memo on CB will be dream come true. Yes, same here. Even if time goes to 200, there will still be rewards payout. Yes, that's true. I don't think it will ever go to 200 because there's base treasury value over $2,000. Great strategy. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks. Currently, you can buy into a hero and just do the quest, and time it takes to break even seems astronomical. Am I missing something? No, sir, you are not missing something. Yes, it will. The loots that you're getting in DeFi Kingdom is currently selling for a couple of cents, but occasionally you will find those rare ones which sells for about $80. It will take a while to break even, but this is only the beginning. We're betting on mass explosion of new users and thus drive the demand for your heroes, your jewels, and all of that. So it is an investment. It's also speculative, but in the meantime, why not do quests and get some of your investment back, right? So that I agree. This is good. Stanley and Ave, great. Okay, sure. Yeah, you agree with the way they secure the funds. Awesome. If price goes down, APY goes down as well. It cannot go up. If APY and price stays the same during 1 year, time market cap may surpass the value of all the money available in the world. Not possible. Ha ha ha. So the only outcome is price and APY down. This doesn't mean we're losing money. The most patient will be rewarded. Time is not a DAO. Well, I agree with pretty much everything here, but time is sort of a DAO right now. also. But yes, you're right. Even if like the current APY and price of time is not sustainable, it will definitely go down in the future. But the key is to stay in there for a long time because you compounding your returns, and this will help you offset some of the price differences. So I agree with this statement. That's a good strategy to minimize your risks. Never forget to take profits. Thanks for sharing with us. Well, thank you. Can you look into iStyle? Well, like I said, I do have another video coming to talk about all the sketchy DAOs. I don't know what iStyle is, but that may be one of those sketchy ones. So keep an eye out for it. If this goes mainstream, we early investors and make big time. Yeah, they're talking about time Wonderland if we're still early. Well, this person says it's already mainstream. Well, then he says, it's not. We have a big crypto group here in Philippines, yet no one talks about it. Yeah, it takes a while for mass adoption. I guess it depends on your definition of mainstream. So only really crypto people know about time right now. So in a way, yes, that's early. I like it. Nice, keep it up. Thank you. Thanks, man. Love this info. Well, thank you. Why can't I find this Ethereum W memo address on the official website? Is this for real? You can find the W memo address, and you'll have to go to Abracadabra, I think. Come to our Discord and we'll walk you through it. Alright, my strategy. You missed the point of DeFi 2.0. You will never reach the potential gains if you keep forfeiting your rebases. Why don't you just go leverage trade? I agree. Well, it says he's agreeing. He's missing the point. If your goal is short-term profit, do not invest in this side of protocol. It's that simple. I agree. Again, I agree. But I want to take profits. I'm the type that likes to take profit. Nobody went broke taking profits. Check CM Kid's video on swing trading. It's more profitable to swing trade than to indefinitely hold the cold token, even though there's up and downs. Well, sir, you might not be talking about time Wonderland because there's a rebase and interest element to it compared to hold forever. Same with the plan of pulling out your stake when you achieve 2x. Might as well start over. Yes, but I like to hedge my bets. So that's the point. Alright, I'm gonna like all of your comments. Thank you. So we should take our memo and swap for time and restate that time. Talking about my idiot's guide to time Wonderland. Or does it do it on its own? So we should take our memo and swap for time or restate. No, sir. You get memo when you stake your time. Stake time and memo are the same. So equal number of memo, you can switch it for time at any time. If you want to restate time, you'll have to convert it back to, well, you have to unstake and then it will become time again in your wallet. And then you can either bond it or you can restake it. It does not do it on its own. When you take back some cash, does the compound interest rate return to the beginning percent again? The rate depends on the amount that you stake. When you have 10 tokens, you unstake 5, the rate will be based to current 5. I really like this video. Well, there's your answer, Mr. John Smith, backing per time is the amount of fund the treasury guarantee used for backing time. Yes, well, supposedly the minimal price, the backing price of time, whenever the price of time falls under that, the treasury will use their money to buy time, to bid up the price. So you do have a price floor, at least theoretically. It hasn't happened yet, so if it does happen, it will be interesting to see. Thank you for explaining fork. I didn't get what that means. Yes, think of fork as copy pasting a code. So if I copy pasted Facebook, then I have a fork of Facebook. It's that easy. So blockchain projects are all open source, so you can fork it. All right, this is about strategy. You forgot the price that you purchased time. It's 10,000 at 7,000 time or 5,000. The closer the price I purchased is to the backing price, the more stable the return over the short term. Yes, but long term is the goal, and also the backing price is adjusted when the time drops below it, causing a sell-off of time, bring the price above 2,000. APY goes up when time price goes down, not fixed. You are absolutely right, John Smith. Thank you for explaining. I think I will use a DCA strategy, dollar cost average, to stake weekly. If I start with 0.1 time at 1,000 DCA 100 a week, I can reach $1 million in 365 days, only risking a total of 4,000 to 5,000. So yes, this is only true if the price stays stable. You're right. And the APY supply remains stable also. Other than that, it should be super easy. Yes, that's the principle. Alright, DeFi Kingdom. Dude, the risk you are underwriting. When you buy LP for JEW1, you are betting that the correlation between JEW and one token stays above 0.507 to protect you from JEW rising and one falling and vice versa. And you are betting that JEW market beta to its index one stay above 2 so you don't get killed if JEW start to rip in either direction. And your yield, which is JEW, which will provide a buffer for JEW rip up against 1 but undoubtedly screw you if JEW falls against 1. I don't even think it's possible to hedge this even with the most sophisticated financial instrument in traditional finance. If you're so bullish on JEW, just buy JEW and stake it. You will make plenty just buying and staking if JEW does not succeed. Why screw yourself over staking against JEW doing really well by complicating the trade instead of just taking simple stake? So okay, so he's saying in my video I was doing a liquidity pool between JEW and one token. Yes, I do run the risk of impermanent loss if one of them goes way up and the other stays the same. But I kind of like that 800% APY that's giving me, so I'm hoping the APY will offset some of that risk. So that's why I'm doing it mostly. And it's nice to see a couple of jewels return to you every once in a while. And yes, I do also stake. So half of my money is also in there staking. So I'm sort of hedged, I guess. So I'm just putting my money across the table. But thank you though. This is great explanation. I like it. Buy time now while AVAX is on discount. Yes, this is like a day ago during the drop. Yes, maybe if you want to buy the dip, dollar cost average in, that's it. Well, I guess I answered all the questions here. I really appreciate all your questions. And this is episode 1. Please comment on my videos. I will answer it live on video right here. All right. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next episode.